In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. We'll start inside Confluence or Jira on a page or issue where your draw.io diagram is open. The idea is simple. When you move a branch, you want the entire subtree, its parent and all children, to travel together so relationships stay intact and you avoid manual realignment. Begin by identifying the branch you want to reposition and clicking the parent shape at the top of that branch. This is the node that the other nodes hang from. Clicking the parent ensures draw.io understands you're moving the whole branch rather than a single child. You should see selection handles around the shape. That's your confirmation you've selected the right element. If you don't, make sure you haven't clicked a child node. Always select the highest node in that branch. Next, click and hold that parent shape, then drag it to the new location. As you move it, watch how the connectors and child nodes follow. Place it where it sits clearly without overlapping other branches. If the canvas feels crowded, zoom out for easier placement. Release to drop the subtree. If it isn't what you expected, undo and try a slightly different spot. Avoid grabbing connectors or labels while dragging. Sticking to the shape itself gives you the cleanest results. If dragging only moves the single shape and not the entire tree, a setting may be disabled. With the shape selected, open the Format panel on the right. Go to the Style tab, then scroll to Properties. Turn on Tree Moving. When active, a blue tracker appears, confirming the branch can move as a unit. Undrag the parent again, and the full subtree should follow. If you don't see the panel, it may be collapsed. Expand it so the Style tab and Properties section are visible. Once your branch is repositioned, scan the diagram for spacing and readability. Consistent gaps make large mind maps easier to read, and arranging major branches evenly around the central idea helps stakeholders follow the logic. Keeping siblings aligned and leaving a little breathing room around larger branches will also reduce connector crossings and make future edits smoother. That's all there is to it. Select the parent, drag to reposition, and enable tree moving if needed. With these steps, you can reorganize complex mind maps in draw.io for Confluence and Jira quickly and confidently without breaking the structure.